Welcome back. In this video we are going to unbox and test the Boya B1 M1 mic. So this is the box I have received from Amazon. So let us open the box and let us see what are the inside this. So directly inside this we have the main box of that mic, and we have the order slip in this and nothing more in this. So let us keep it this aside. This is the main box. This is the front side. This is all about the sides of this box. At back side of this box, here it is mentioned features, specifications and relative data. So let us open this box. Now inside this, here we are going to get one pouch. Inside there is a mic and other things. Let us keep this aside. So here with of Boya stickers, and there is some other things in this like a paper manual and a warranty card inside this. So there is nothing more in this, so it is almost empty. So this is the things I got in the main box, like one pouch, stickers and a manual, user manual and a warranty card. Let us see what are the inside of this bag. So here are with the heart of the unboxing, which is Boya by M1 mic, and there is a one other cover, and inside this there is a one silicone gel and a tag from the Boya, which is a Boya qualified certificate. So this is the things which is got in this main bag. So let us keep it aside. Let us see what are the other things which are in this cover. See, here is one like wind filter. This is the use like when we mount on this, here it's avoid the wind noise. Here is one connector. So this is of 3.5 mm jack. This is the connector which is able to connect to the DSLR. This pin we should connect to this and we should insert into the DSLR pin. So this is the use of that. Let us see what are the other things. So here is one clip and one cell to this. So now this is the heart of the unboxing, which is Boya BY M1 mic. So here it is a mic and it is a jack. Here this is a cable of very long cable, which is of size around 20 feet cable, I think. For to use of the camera we need a requirement of the battery. So to use with camera and smartphone, here we need to switch to those things. Like when we need to use with camera, we need to move this button to here. If it is of smartphone, then simply we need to make it the button out to off. To insert battery we need to move like this. We need to rotate the upper part of this mic like this and hit here at this portion. We need to insert this battery which is provided in the box. Later we should again rotate like this to close this thing. I am using with smartphone. We no need a powering of this thing with this wind. So this wind filter we should mount on this. So after mounting of this wind form and the clip, the mic look like this. So this is all about the things which are getting in the box. So this is the out of the unboxing, which is a Boya BY-M1 mic. So let us test this mic. Now whatever the sound you hearing is from the Boya BY-M1, you can check out the sound quality of this. You can check out the noise levels of this mic. So when I silence, you can hear the surrounding noise which is around me. So now I have on the ceiling fan. You hear the noise getting from that fan. So this is all about the noise levels. So this is all about the sound quality of the Boya BY-M1. So thank you for the watching. For more videos, subscribe my channel. If you really like the video, don't forget to like. If any suggestions, put in the comment box. Thank you for the watching.